Okay. Gonna take a swing through the cat park, see if there's any hungry cats, but I bet they're all hiding because of the rain. And then I gotta go to Market. Get some stuffs. That's the universal cat call. The other cats, if they hear it, they might come or they might not. If Quill hears it, she'll come in. She'll come even into the teeth of a raging monsoon. She'll come. So I don't know where she is, but I didn't really expect to find her. I'm not going to walk the whole park looking for her, so. Oh man, this is a pretty good rain. Not really hard, but it's really steady, which is kind of unusual for here. I should not have brought this small umbrella. Should never go out here with a small umbrella. Live and learn. Okay. Okay. Let's see, this is October, this is late October. It should be, well, November will be rainy. December should start drying out a little bit. And then January, February are gorgeous, except in March it starts heating up. I think March is the hottest month of the year. Okay. I want to try one of those things with the rain cover on it. I've never had one. I've had every kind of two-wheel conveyance known to man. I've never had one of those with a clear cover on it. I really want one. I want to try it. I saw them years and years ago. They were a bubble, a regular bubble, completely sealed. And it just seemed like that would be so pleasant. Excuse me. Okay. This is Seattle's best coffee. I used to go there quite a bit. Every single time I went there, they would give you a frowny face if you wanted to use a credit card. If you want to pay cash, they never once had change. Never once. Never once. Finally one day, ordered something, tried to pay. She didn't have change and she didn't know what to do. I just took my money back and left, never went back. That's a really big problem in Southeast Asia. They don't understand this concept of change. They think somehow that they're losing money out of their pocket or something. They cannot grasp the concept of making change. And it wears on you, it grates on you after a while. It rubs raw after a while. Every business must make change, period. Which way you gonna go, lady? Oh. Okay. We'll scan for cats at the 7 restaurant. It's a big problem with the 7 restaurant. The cats will come to eat and they wait for the server to come and take their order. But the servers are so slow, the cats often fall asleep in the chairs or they can't get waited on. I need to teach these cats how to go online and make complaints, because that's wrong. I always figure 5 minutes, 5 minutes, server should come. I'll wait 5 minutes. 10 minutes, I start getting a little annoyed. 15 minutes, I walk out. Let's see, you got cats. Oh no, there's only 2. Only 2 fell asleep waiting to be served. There's a yellow one and a black one. Yeah, well, the sign says, service for 7 only, so I guess they're waiting for 7 cats to pile up there, and then they'll come and wait on them. I don't know. So, I'm going to try to get a backpack sewn up at Market because it came from China, and of course that means it's going to self-destruct within usually 7 days. Sometimes you get 30 days out of the Chinese product. That's the limit. You won't get more than that out of really anything from China. But I got 30 days before the straps started pulling loose. Never had more than probably 2-3 pounds in it. But that's China. And we keep buying their crap. Here, that's really all you can get.
Yeah, honestly, that's one of my favorite sports to watch because it's so fast. Right? Like 15 minutes. I like I'll wait for like $5, $10 on the bike.
Okay. There's a wet, rainy day. I'd like to go to McDonald's. That market, it's usually so crowded you can't get in. Almost always. Or if you do get in and get your order, there's no place to sit. But today, maybe, it's a possibility. Unfortunately, we're right at the lunch hour, of course. So I don't know how many people are going to come out on a rainy day like this. It might still be overflowing because people in the mall will go there. See, even though it's coolish and it's raining and there's a breeze, I'm sweating. Just walking around like this, I'm just sweating. Level ground, there's no hills, no stairs to speak of. It's probably 85, 88 Fahrenheit. Probably kind of foggy, so it's probably 95% humidity. Well, no, it's raining, so it's going to be 100% humidity. And that is Market across the street. How's he got the umbrella like that for? These restaurants, it looks like a very inviting place to come and stroll and eat. No, it's not. Not at all. The prices are very close to or right at American prices. The portions are very small, almost half of American portions. They're paying their employees $12 a day, and the rent is a tenth of American rents. So if they had customers, they'd be really making a lot of money, but they don't have any customers because everybody has learned you don't eat in High Street VGC. Don't eat there. You go a block or two off site. You don't eat in High Street. You see, you're not going to get a good meal. You're going to pay too much for it. You're going to have to go to a second restaurant to get more food to fill up. It's a bad deal, but they don't get it. They sit there in their restaurants all day, every day. Hardly any customers. I bet there's days some of these restaurants don't get one single customer, but they don't get it. They can't see any moves ahead in the chess game. And so half of them go under. How many times you tried to scam me? 3 times now. Fuck off. Wait. I get the guard. I get the guard. Ah, 3 times, scammer. Oops, sorry.